Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. On a robotic system, you not only need a 6-axis robot, but typically you'll need something to position and move your part. This could be a 2-axis positioning table, it could be a turntable. We design and build these in-house to the customer's specification. You may have seen our 2-axis precision servo turntables, which are used for welding. And you may have seen our extremely large elbow welding machine with a 20-foot diameter table that can rotate 360 degrees with 2 axes. Typically, on a turntable like this, a high-speed table will go 3 RPM for welding. But in this case, we're not welding. This is a thermal spray application where we need 150 feet per minute surface speed. With thermal spray, you need very high RPM. So this is a 10,000 pound capacity, 72 RPM thermal spray table. We design and build to fit your specific needs. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.